Hi, my name is Rachel Ewens. I'm a mobile strategist and I run the app blog ladyapp.com. And today we're going to talk about how to get FM radio on your iPhone. Now, back in the day, a lot of phones did actually have FM receivers in them. So you could actually receive radio stations directly to your phone. Now that mobile broadband is more widespread, most of the device makers have eliminated the FM receivers. So you can't actually traditionally receive FM signals to your iPhone. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that you can't listen to radio. So we're going to explore a little bit on how you can still get your favorite radio stations right on your iPhone device.
So there's no native app that's going to work quite like an FM station, but if you do want to get some of your favorite stations, there's several apps for it. The app I'm going to recommend today is an app called iHeartRadio. It's actually by Clear Channel, and it's got most of people's favorite radio stations from around the country. And this is it right here. You can find it in the App Store. Just search iHeart, the word heart, H-E-A-R-T, radio in the App Store. It's red. We're going to click on it. It gives us a couple options. We're going to find a radio station. So you can actually search by the city you're in, what type of radio you're interested in. Let's see if we can find where we are right now, which is Los Angeles. And we've got all our favorite radio stations here. Now these are going to be streaming digitally. They're not going to be streaming like an FM radio frequency. So they will use some of your data plan, but you will be able to access your favorite radio and your favorite songs.
So now you've got your favorite tunes loaded up on your iPhone and you can listen to your favorite stations everywhere you go. This has been how to get your radio onto your iPhone.